Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make birghul banadoora. It's the cracked wheat with tomato paste. It's vegan or vegetarian, you can make it, or you can make it with meat. It's so easy. If you don't feel like cooking heavy meal or something, this you can cook it with 10 minutes. You'll have your dinner ready. So what we need for this dish, very simple. We need the burghul, we need the onion, fresh tomato paste, butter, and this is the veggie broth powder. So first step, I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil. You can cook it just with olive oil if you want, or you can add the butter to it. 2 large onions. I like it because it's very easy, fast dish. Like in one day when I'm tired, I'm not in the mood to cook or anything, just make birghul banadoora. And there is another dish, we call it hummus ruz. It's rice with the garbanzo beans. It's very easy too. So I'm gonna teach you those small, like little dishes when you are in hurry or when you don't feel like cooking, so you can make them. Just little salad next to it or yogurt, and you are in business. And the whole family, they like it. My whole family, they like it. Some people, they make it with meat. Some people, they make it with like vegetarian, and you can make it vegan too. This is the good part of it. Okay, our onion is good. You see, it's clear. It's not too red, and it's not too rough. 1 more minute. The birghul, I'm not gonna soak it in water. I just wanna rinse it a little bit. Just rinse it and then put it. It's even though it's clean, but I like just to rinse it. I have 1 cup of fresh tomato. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons tomato paste. And I'm gonna put 1.5 cups. And then, because I have here 1.5 cups birghul, the birghul, I do the water for it, it's the same like the rice. Each cup of birghul, you put 1 1/4 of water, or 1.5 cups. Put 1 1/4, and then if you feel like the birghul still little hard, add the other 1/4 of water. So for here, I need half more. You see, this is it. This is the sauce for it. I like it a little thicker than that. So I'm gonna add tomato. Yeah, for me, I would love to put 1 more tablespoon of tomato paste. I like it dark color. Okay, perfect. You see, the sauce is thick now. All what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rinse my birghul just a little bit. Because we already put our water there. Okay, and now I'm gonna add the birghul here. And some birghul, they need more water than the other. If you need, depends. This is, we call it here birghul number 2. So it's not too fine, not too thick. You see, this is it. This is our dish. I'm gonna just leave it in simmer until the until you feel like the burghul is not too hard, it's soft. And if the water is finished and it's still little hard, just add little more water, little by little, and until you feel like this is it. This is the what they call it in English, texture. This is the texture that you want. Just cover it and wait. While you are waiting for that, you can make the salad, any kind of salad you like. And as I told you, it's good with the yogurt, with the pickled turnips, or the pickled cucumber, Armenian cucumber, which is miqti in Arabic. Yeah, you can eat it with anything you want. My favorite salad is the summer salad, they call it. It's tomato, cucumber, onion, parsley, mint, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. It's so good with it. Yeah, so this is my favorite. But sometimes I make the cabbage too. I just want to show you. They are simmering, you know. It's as if like you are making the rice in very, very low heat, and just mix it a little bit every once in a while. And the salad that I like for the cabbage, it's the same cabbage salad that we made with the potato kibbe, the pumpkin kibbe that we made in the tray. It's cabbage, tomato, cucumber, and the vinaigrette. I put garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, and I told you you can put balsamic vinegar, regular vinegar. It's your desire. That's it. To display it very nice, so in this way you'll tell your husband or your wife that you've been working so hard to make this dish, you know. So just put it like that. See, and just to show how hard you work, you can put some pine nuts to make it more fancy. In this way, they will tell you, oh, you've been working so hard, so I'm gonna do the dishes. You have your dinner ready. And you can put yogurt with it, the salad, and let them do the dishes after that. Even though there is not too much dishes, but okay. I hope you like this recipe. Try to make it, you will love it. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.